Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to do tons of home decor, DIYs, cleaning, cooking, everything to do with home. I'm your girl. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do a lace painted furniture project. I had this old storage chest and it was painted kind of a medium colored gray. I had this idea, which I also saw on Pinterest, to go ahead and use some of that pink paint that I've been using on some of my other DIY projects that I'll link down below. It's just a candy pink paint made by Rust-Oleum. It's the 2X. And I took that paint and I took a piece of lace and I was able to make a lace cover top on this storage chest, and my idea was to use it for the living room. So I'm going to take you guys through the steps on how to attempt this project. I've seen this project on Pinterest, like I said, but for some reason it looked really hard, and I want to tell you guys that this was probably one of the easiest furniture DIYs that I've ever done. So without further ado, I'm going to take you through the steps of this project, and comment and let me know what you guys think about it. You're going to see my face when I reveal how this project came out, and I was like a kid in a candy store. It just came out so super duper cute. So let's get to it. Started on this lace painted furniture project. You're just going to need some spray paint, a piece of scrap lace that fits over your project, and then some tape. And then I wanted to use some cleaner just to clean off this little toy chest to make sure that I got it really nice and clean and that there was no dust or anything on there that would prevent the paint from sticking. And then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and cover your piece with the lace that you're planning on using. And then I wanted to tape down the edges just to make sure that it didn't move around while I was spray painting it. Also, I made sure that there was a clean edge on the piece of lace. That way it lined up evenly. And then you're just going to start with the first coat of spray paint, and you just kind of want to gently begin to cover your surface with the spray paint. So for this lace painted furniture project, I ended up using about 2 coats of spray paint. I sprayed it fairly lightly, but I did want a pretty full coverage on it. So I applied the first coat and then I let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then I applied the second coat of spray paint. The spray paint that I used for this project is actually the same spray paint that I've been using for a lot of my DIYs that you guys have been seeing. It's just the candy pink spray paint. I get this at Home Depot. It's made by Rust-Oleum. It's the 2X, and I just love it. It is super amazing. It covers really well, and so I believe that this comes only in a gloss. So depending upon the finish you like, you may want to check out some different brands, but this is what has been working for me, and I already had this in my craft stash, so this is what I used. So I was super excited to see how this was going to look. Like I told you guys, I've seen this done on Pinterest before and I've never tried it, so when I peeked underneath the lace, I was really excited. I did let it dry for about another 30 minutes before I pulled the lace off, and you guys can see my face. I am in love with the results. I think it came out so super duper cute. I was just in awe. I was really thankful that I taped the edges before I started spray painting, because we did have a little bit of wind that day, and so I didn't want it to move around. Now you're going to see me just painting the outside underneath part of the chest with some white paint. This is actually white paint that I already had left over from my daughter's bedroom makeover project. I did a video on that a little while back. It's just a grab and go from Walmart. I believe the color is Dove White, and the finish is a semi-gloss. And so, but you guys can use any paint that you like to go ahead and coordinate in with whatever colors you're using for your project. I like to use what I already have, so this is what I'm going with. And it was a super duper hot day that day. I did end up using 2 coats. I used 1 coat outside, and then I had to bring the chest in to finish it up because we had a big thunderstorm. But yeah, I'm super excited with how this is turning out. So after I gave this piece 2 coats of paint, I went ahead and went in with a coarse sandpaper, and I just distressed all around the edges and the front and the sides. I wanted to give it that aged appearance. Now check it out. Look at how gorgeous this came out, you guys. I love the detail. I can't believe I have never done this project before, because even my husband came home and was in awe of how great this looked. We used to have a flea market booth together, and we always did paint and furniture projects, and he thought this was really cool, so I was excited for that. I went ahead and put this piece in my living room. It lifts up and has storage underneath. I think it's going to be great to store cozy blankets in, or pillows, or extra home decor. I love how it looks almost like it has fabric over it. I just think it's gorgeous. And then if I get tired of the colors, I can just redo them. Now, the spots in the front where there were some little handles, you guys comment and let me know, what should I do with that? Should I put some kind of little detail piece in the front? Should I try and look for some cute handles? If I put handles, should I do some kind of crystal knobs? You guys let me know. And then there's those cute pumpkins that I hauled a couple videos ago from Home Goods. And then I've got my pumpkin cupcake candle. I'm feeling so cozy for fall, and I just love how this piece is kind of tying in a little bit of pink accent in my living room. So how cute did that project come out? You guys comment and let me know what you think about this project, and also, have you ever tried this project? Do you have any tips or tricks for me about how to do lace painted furniture? I think I'm going to be a little bit hooked now, so I'm probably going to be lace painting some more items in my home. Don't be surprised if we do some more lace painted DIYs. Also, you guys, check out some of those fall DIYs. We are getting ready to have the most cozy, most wonderful fall ever. I'm doing a whole series on my channel with fall DIYs. That's my cat Tinky running around. And we're on episode number 4. I'm just loading these episodes full of tons of fun, easy, cheap ways to repurpose items in your home, which is what I'm all about. I love to take what I've already got and transform it and make it into something really cool and really new. So the other thing is, I'm going to be hosting a giveaway soon on my channel, so you guys look for that. I want to do something really cute for you guys. Of course, it's definitely going to be pink, and so check back. I'm going to be announcing that giveaway very soon. And the other thing is I just want to truly thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You all are showing me so much love on my channel. Your comments and your likes on my videos are so encouraging, and you're so kind, and I cannot tell you how that makes me feel. It just makes me feel so much love and encouragement to keep doing these videos. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like these kind of videos, and I'll do more for you. So thank you all so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and there's a little bell, and that will notify you guys every time I post a new DIY. So thank you again, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.